My instruction is just merely to give you the address of today's press conference. First of all, I want to inform you that Ikwerre as an ethnic nationality is not Igbo. And after this, I have to go into my detailed preamble. Ikwerre ethnic nationality is never a subgroup of any ethnic nation in Nigeria or elsewhere. Ikwerre ethnic nationality is one of the ethnic blocks which constitute the present day of Nigeria, and the people are found in 4 local government areas in the present day of Rivers State. The local government areas are as follows: Ikwerre, which is commonly called Kelga; Emoha, which the local government is Nemolga; Obiakpo, Obaga, and Port Harcourt City called Falga. Ikwerre remains a homogeneous ethnic group with a common ancestry and paternity. In this stead, we make the following documentary statements, which are as follows. 1. Ikwerre people are from Rivers State and the Niger Delta region of Nigeria. The people have their unique culture and traditions. The declaration of Obaki Ikwerre Cultural Organization during the Chukwudifu Oputa Human Rights Violence Panel of 2001 says that Ikwerre ethnic nationality is not and has never been a subgroup of any other tribe in Nigeria, including Igbo, which will survive here. The Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria of 1999, 2010, as amended, and recognizes Ikwerre ethnic nationality as a distinct and unique ethnic group in Nigeria. The people of Ikwerre frown at any attempt by some Igbo expansionists to incorporate Ikwerre as a subset or subgroup of any other ethnic group in Nigeria or elsewhere. We acknowledge some shared similarities between Ikwerre and her neighbors, including the Igbo, in terms of aspect of culture and traditions. However, this does not in any way validate the bogus and unverified claims that Ikwerre is Igbo, has been peddled by Igbo passionists. The Ikwerre ethnic nationality wishes to inform the general public and particularly the whole world that Obaki Ikwerre has not mandated any person or group to speak on her behalf or label us as part of any ethnic group in Nigeria. Obaki Ikwerre cultural organizations worldwide remains the apex and umbrella body of the Ikwerre people. Whether it is here in Nigeria or diaspora, including United Kingdom, United States of America, United Kingdom, United States of America, and other countries. It is the only authentic voice to speak on behalf of Ikwerre ethnic nationality. Ogbaki Ikwerre Cultural Organization will continue to remain loyal to the federal government of Nigeria, and we are not part of Biafra at all in any circumstance or its agitators. We are peace-loving and very hospitable people, and will not want the peaceful disposition to be taken for granted or as a weakness or cowardice. Finally, we are calling on the federal government of Rivers State, the State Commissioner of Police, and other security agencies to act swiftly against individuals, no matter how highly they are placed, or any group of persons who are creating maps, including Ikwerre, to include Ikwerre as part of Biafra, with derogatory and inflammatory statements against the Ikwerre people. Most importantly, ladies and gentlemen, including the Ochohas here present, in many cases, some rumors can be fact. It is now rumored that Ohanaeze Igbo intends to make an Ikwerre man the President General of Ogbaki Ikwerre. I'm sorry, of Ohanaeze Igbo. However, any person, no matter highly placed, who may decide to accept this offer, eventually becomes an enemy to Ikwerre people and a persona non grata. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank you so much for your rapt attention, and would like you to be properly guided as we pray God to strengthen and embody us to always speak the truth and nothing but the truth. We do not also support any expansionist meeting or meetings in Rivers State, as it will cause a lot of mayhem, to cause agitations among the people of the state. This press release is duly executed and signed today, being the 9th day of January 2025, and also signed by Eze Barrister Gokwa, PhD, KSC, Justice of the Peace, whom today is the President General of Ogbaki Ikwerre Cultural Organization worldwide. And in order to validate this document I've presented to you, it is also signed by a legal luminary in person of Barrister Nyebuchi Phillips, who is also the Secretary General of Ogbaki Ikwerre Cultural Organization worldwide. Thank you.
Now, I don't hear what he said, but if you listen to the end of this video, the people where they call name were from Ikwerre, then they answer Igbo name. If you listen to that video well, the last part of that video, those names where they call people where signed this book where he lead now, all of them are from Ikwerre. Now, I told you people before, I told my Igbo brother and sister before, all this the one that cause Benin na Biafra, Niger Delta na Biafra, Akwa Ibom na Biafra. You people should stop it. You people should stop it. Stop forcing other tribe to become Biafra. No be must. I told you people before this time, but una dey anife. I said before that if them maybe eventually put referendum now, put Benin go vote against Biafra. If they put Niger Delta region, then go vote against Biafra. No, only 2% of them go vote for Biafra. 98 will vote against Biafra. They are telling you people they are not part of Biafra, and you people are forcing them. Now, to come for this Ikwerre Liver State and Ocha, those people where they answer Igbo name in Delta State and Liver State. Yes, you know, say before Britain come join us together, scatter us. We are one before Britain come scatter us. But right now, they are telling you that they don't need you. Why are you forcing yourself? All you wait there for their all you wait there for their land. How many Igbo man will have oil well in Nigeria? The people that have oil well in Nigeria, the most people that is outside Fulani or Yoruba people, now them be the top people where have oil well, and the Britain, all this white country where then they come, where our politicians they borrow money, now they have oil well in Nigeria. Igbo people, only few people we even have oil well or in Niger Delta. I never see somebody will have oil well, or it may be few people. So why are you people forcing on yourself to people where talk say they are not part of you? Though I posted the video the other time where some youth of that Ikwerre something like that, they are doing meeting saying that they are from Igbo. So it's like the thing won't bring trouble and misunderstanding among them now. Some part are saying they are Igbo, some part are saying they are not Igbo. So it's like the thing won't bring trouble among them. But only thing I want to say, if you're Ikwerre and as they don't do this meeting now, say that if they see anybody that say that Ikwerre is Biafra or Igbo, then go persecute that person or something like that. Now, what you will do if you say that you're Igbo, you can stay that place. You can stay. As long as they tell you people should not talk say on from Igbo, and they don't want Ohanes and Igbo to give anybody from Ikwerre the President General of Ohanes and Igbo. So what you will do, that press keep quiet. I'm not supporting fight or violence. No, because if you people rise up again, these people rise up again, it may bring trouble and it may cause fight. This man, where they give this speech, go and read his name na Igbo name. He dey reject where he come from, or because of the money that he will get from Nigeria government. I don't know him, but that's not my business. Whether you are from Igbo, you are not from Igbo, it will not bring any more money in my pocket. Whether you are from Igbo or you are not Igbo, it will not put money for my pocket. You don't hear what they talk. So now, if you are from Ikwerre and you are saying that you are Igbo man or woman, and the other group say they are not from Igbo, make una no allow this thing to bring misunderstanding or trouble among you people now. Yes, because if any group lies up say that you are from Igbo, other groups say they are not Igbo, it may bring trouble among you people. So I need peace. I don't need this trouble. But if you say no, that you are from Igbo, if you say must, that you will come out, I prefer you to come online. Come online, say it. Igbo people will go help you plenty. Igbo people will go even bring you for Igbo land. In Igbo, we are millions of Igbos everywhere. They can bring you here home, buy your land, build house for you. If they reject you, say you are not Igbo, and if you say that you are Igbo, they will persecute you. If they are going that place, what you will do for you to come online and declare yourself as an Igbo man or woman, all the Igbos that will help you, they will bring you home, build your house, buy land for you, and take care of you. That's the only thing I can tell you. For this thing to bring trouble in that village or in that state,